Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. Well, this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line there is coming from, and that also segues perfectly into the first update that needs to be done. And that update is based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's exactly what happened today in terms of supports, then acting as resistance. So 93 cents was support, like I said. And when they're broken, according to the rule, you expect them to act as resistance. And right there this afternoon, you can see the price try to get back up above there. Couldn't quite do it. So while I'm not saying that 93 cents can never be broken again, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle right around that 93 area when it did try to get up through there. So 93 now, the near-term level of resistance. If the price is going to try to make some, movement back to the upside, that first key hurdle once more at 93. What about next levels of support? Next key level of support as far as where buyers are hanging out at 89 cents. I'd consider 89 essentially a must-hold level because I'm not saying this will happen, but in the event the price were to go down to 89, break through it, and then just continue on downwards, at that point in time, that sort of price action would literally be putting the price right back into this area of the chart where it was before the nice movement happened right there. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were before the nice moves happened, that's not exactly a sign of true strength. So to me, 89 cents is a very important level for those reasons. But so far, so good. The price is, consolidating and going sideways up above 89. Now, if the price goes to 88, that's fine too. There's a little bit of, you got to use your gut instincts a little bit. But, the further the price separates to the downside of 89, that's just a further and further back into the placement of the chart where it already was. And again, going back to where the price was, not a sign of true strength by any stretch of the definition. But it's holding up, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.